Alright everyone, welcome back. Now in today's episode we'll be taking a look at my growth portfolio, specifically the updates that have taken place this week. And so I use the Lightyear app for my growth-based portfolio, and I only focus on a few companies where the goal is to maximize the amount of growth, and I'm being a little bit more riskier by focusing on a few number of companies that I believe has a good growth potential. Now over time this may change, so if you do find this interesting, do stick around, hit that subscribe button if you want to follow on this journey. Most of my videos are dedicated for my dividend-based portfolio that uses the Trading 212 platform, but for the purpose of today's video we are using the Lightyear app. There is a link in the description below if you're interested in opening up a new account. And so let's go through the process of actually buying a set number of shares. So in my case I'm buying £500 worth. The process I take is I draw out of my bank account and deposit those funds. So once that's complete, the money or the deposit is ready to use. And in fact, I can take that GBP and convert into dollars. So we can see at the moment the exchange rate is significantly low. So we're not making a lot of money when we're converting from pounds to dollars. The good thing with the Lightyear app is that you're able to deposit as much as you want. So ideally when the rate is much higher, then you can convert a larger amount. But in my case, we can see that there's no fee attached. I'm converting £500 worth. We've got the exchange rate listed as well, and then the amount in USD once converted. So hitting confirm, the conversion takes place and now the money is held in the US dollar account. And the company that I'm interested in buying more is that of Shopify. So the company has dropped recently, it's now $30 per share. They did do a 10-to-1 stock split, which is why we now see peaks in the range of $168 or so. Now, so the market is actually closed at the moment, and from the icon above we can see that there is fractional shares that we can purchase as well. But when the market is closed, we can still place our order, and then when the market does open, that order is then fulfilled. So hitting the buy button, we can put the amount in dollars worth that we want to purchase. In my case, I'm going to put the full amounts, that's $576.35. We can see that the total number of shares to the nearest decimal is 19.1. and the price per share in my case is $30.11. So we can preview this buy to make sure everything is looking correct. And so as I say, the market is not open at the moment, so the number of shares is an estimate. We've got the latest price at the time when the stock was closed. This can fluctuate, and this is always the case. Whenever markets open, it could have a big drop or it could increase even higher. But the main call out here is that the trading fee is $0. So roughly speaking, we're going to be executing the full $576.35, and that will purchase however many shares based on the price once the market opens. So hitting confirm, our order is submitted, and the market, in my case, I submitted on a Friday, so in a few days time that will execute. And so we can see the three companies that I have. My largest weight is still that of Shopify, currently down 40%. That percentage will drop a little bit now that I've brought in at a lower value. Next in is still Netflix, currently down 0.14%, so actually Netflix has been increasing recently. And then we have Tesla, currently up 12.66%, so overall down 18.88%. It should be evident that I am bullish in Shopify, which is why I keep on purchasing. Although for some this may be a little bit boring because I'm just buying into these three companies. Hopefully this does show which companies I am bullish on. For anyone who is deciding which companies to purchase, it's entirely up to you. Always perform your own research. But in my case, I see value in all these companies, and especially Shopify, which has just taken a big hit over the last year. And so thanks for watching everyone. New videos are posted each week. If there's any type of content you want to see, do leave a comment in the section below. Whether it's growth or the dividend portfolio that I share, let me know what your interests are, and I'll definitely consider making a video on the topic that you list. I appreciate all the support and all the new subscribers out there, and so thanks again, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.